So this brings me to a question for you. Have you ever wondered why a script did not work for you? Well, you see, the number one reason that I find that it does not work for you is the fear of rejection. I see agents muster all their energy to get out on the street only to timidly knock on the door, hoping no one will answer so they can walk away, and to them, this is door knocking. Is that you? But the fear of rejection gets the best of us. See, like you, I too was once there and felt terrified. I felt that I could never handle rejection or opening up to strangers, hoping each time I knocked on the door that the door would not open. I could just simply walk away and think that was just door knocking because it would never give you results. Then my mentor gave me the biggest mind shift ever that I am going to share with you because it works. He asked me to find my why. He said, "Pebble, what is your why?" And immediately I turned around and said, "Failure is not an option because the people closest to me were rooting for me to fail. That's why failure was not an option." And he said, "What about number two?" I said, "Number two was getting my name recognized in the real estate industry with ethics, honesty, and hard work by helping homeowners." And he said, "What about the third?" I said, "Getting my 10,000 steps in each day to create a healthy me while I plant the seeds for success." And that was my why. You see, each day I knocked, I saw myself closer to my goal. The question is, what is your why? Find it, write down all three whys on a small notepad, put it on your steering wheel, so every time you get out to door knock, that will give you the biggest motivation for you to get out and do it the right way. The second biggest reason it may not work is that you change the powerful script. Imagine that McDonald's changing their tune of ba-da-ba-ba-ba every single time. Will that be consistent and effective in delivering their message? No, because when you do that, it changes the energy of the words or the tune and its effectiveness. Understand that scripts are powerful because of their energy, and you must deliver this winning formula verbatim. My friends, scripts are a blueprint to your success. It keeps the message concise, effective, and to the point. And now that you have understood the science and the mechanics behind it, let's get into the most powerful script that made my business touch great heights and brought me resounding success. The question is, are you ready?